Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to inform us that we are going to be having our paid class that's going to be on Telegram. We're going to be having our paid class there, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make three different styles of autogele as you are seeing on your screen right now. This is the first style you are going to be learning, and this one here is the second style. As you can see, they are latest and trending style. So if you don't want to be giving your customers same old styles, you really want to upgrade your styles to the latest one in town, so you really need to subscribe. You really need to pay for this class. And as you all know, my videos are always well detailed and self-explanatory. So the training fee is just 5,000 naira, and the venue is going to be on Telegram. The date is going to be showing on your screen right now. So please share this video with your loved ones, those you feel they might be interested in this training. And please, if you are just new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell button so as to be notified each time I drop a new video. Here we learn how to make different styles and latest styles of autogele. So these are the three styles you are going to be learning. So I will see you in class. Bye bye, and God bless you.